Introduce features you looking for and fast overview of CPPDEL 12V/7A car battery charger, 7-stage automatic smart battery charger with LCD display pulse repair charger pack. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. This 12V/7A smart battery charger with LCD screen display has 7-stage charging process to protect the battery and stop the charging automatically when battery is fully charged. Suitable for 12V batteries, it works with SLA, wet, MF, flooded, gel, VRLA, AGM, EFB batteries, meaning that it can be used for the batteries in cars, motorcycles, boats, mowers and others. Note: lithium battery disabled. Automatic detection of ambient temperature, so that winter can be full speed, summer is not overload. Optimized for any climate, easy to deal with a variety of harsh voltage environments. Intelligent control system, strong pulse repair technology, remove vulcanization, repair slightly damaged batteries, reduce water loss, provides stronger engine starts and extended battery life. This automatic smart battery charger owns safety technology including built-in circuit protection, spark-free system, reverse polarity protection, overcharge, overvoltage and overtemperature protection, stable performance for longer life. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.